Happy birthday, Lola Norma. Thank you for all the bread and treats you secretly feed me. Cheers to many more bread and birthdays to come. Mahal kita.
Happy 80th birthday, Mama.
Hi, Mama. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more beautiful years of life to come. I so admire your strength, and I hope that we all get to live as long as you. Always stay strong, and of course, beautiful inside and out. And even though we are far from each other, always know that you are always in our hearts, our thoughts, and our prayers. Enjoy your day, stay safe, and I hope that we get to see each other soon.
Hi Mama! Happy 80th birthday to you. We miss you so much and we love you. I just wish you the best, good health, more years to come, and yeah, even if we're basically celebrating with you from miles apart, please know that we're always gonna be with you. Even by heart for now. And we really miss you even if we wanted you to be here or sana nandiyan kami to celebrate with you. Maybe not now, but we'll definitely see each other soon. We thank you so much for always supporting us from afar, for your wisdom, and for the memories we created through the years. We love you so much and I'll see you soon, Mama.
Hello, Mommy. Happy 80th birthday to the greatest mom in the world, the greatest grandma in the world, and soon to be the greatest great-grandma in the world. I know all your sacrifices when we were young, and your sacrifices when we were growing old, and your sacrifices when we all got our own children. Those will not be forgotten and will be forever in our heart. Thank you, Mommy, and happy birthday, Mommy.
Hello, Mama. Happy 80th birthday. May God bless you with many more years of health to come and be strong as always, Mama. We love you so much. Alam mo naman, kahit malayong-malayo ka sa amin, mahal na mahal ka namin. Again, happy birthday, Mama.
Hi Mama, happy birthday! Alam mo Mama, every time na nakikita ko yung pictures sa videos na pinopost nila sa Facebook or Instagram, sobrang natutuwa ako kasi nakikita ko sobrang jolly mo pa rin, tapos ang liksi-liksi mo. So yun Mama, today is your special day, and first of all, thank you so much for being such a great lola to me. So I still remember those days na sobrang excited akong magbakasyon sa Batangas every summer nung bata pa ako. Tapos yung tipong magpapaiwan pa ako kila daddy kapag nagbabakasyon dyan kasi gusto ko pang magstay. Ayun, ang dami kong childhood memories sa Batangas. At alam mo ba Mama, isa sa mga core memories ko yung tinuruan mo akong mag-multiply. Hindi ko alam kung naalala mo yung parang pencil toy na color yellow, tapos may 1x2, 1x3. Ayun, naalala ko pa yun. Tapos dahil doon, until now, kabisado ko pa rin yung multiplication. Tapos naalala ko rin Mama na ikaw yung una kong kasama nung nagtalaga ako. Kaya thank you so much Mama. So yun, pasensya na Mama kung hanggang ngayon di pa rin kita nabibisita dyan sa Canada. Pero I hope one day makapag-banding tayo and na-visit pa kita dyan. I miss you so much Mama. And I love you, I love you, I love you. So enjoy your special day. Stay healthy Mama, mag-banding pa tayo. Bye-bye!
As you celebrate your 80th magnificent birthday, our wishes are for you to continue to have good health, showered with abundant blessings, and to be unceasingly loved by the people who have been very important to your life. At isa na po ako doon. You are my Mommy Norma as always have been. I thank you for the love and guidance. You have been a very good example to me in many ways. taught me to be a responsible person, and consistently reminding me in doing good ways to achieving my goals. I never had a time in my life where I did not miss you. I really miss my mommy Norma. It was a very happy moment when you visited us here and we spent time together in Antipolo. Wish it will happen again in many and more times. While we are miles away, our mind and heart are there, very close enough to be with you as you celebrate this wonderful and special event of your life. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday po! May you always be in good health.
Happy birthday po, Lola Norma.
Happy birthday po, more blessings.
Happy birthday po!
Hi, happy birthday, my friendie, my BFF. Happy birthday. Sweet kisses, tight hugs, and sweet embraces too. I wish I was with you today celebrating your milestone birthday. My friendie, naaala ko pa ang our good old times together. Then, eto friendie, nalulungkot ako. Dahil nga, my only regrets is that we were not able to see each other after our graduation days. Those were the days, our happy times together, darling. Nare-remember ko pa noong tayo ay magkasama sa Padre Garcia. Sa iyong bahay ako nag-stay ng ilang araw when I walked away from home, when my mom did not allow me to attend a dance party. Kaya nagpunta ako sa iyo. Then your auntie looked well after me. You cared for me. And those were the memories I will never ever forget in my life, my friend. Those were the days that it will be forever etched in my memory. Darling, sana maulit ito at kailan kaya maulit itong magandang pangyayari, magandang pagsasama natin dalawa. Sana makita tayo soonest, as soon as possible. I wish that too, darling. O ngayon, sasabihin ko na lang uli, I wish you all the best. Magkita sana tayo nose, magkita sana tayo friendly. And the least I can do is to give you this message. Dahil I was not able to come and see you and celebrate with you on your milestone birthday. Siguro naman, darling, magkikita tayo isang araw, okay? Mag-set up tayo ng araw. Dahil, ika nga, hindi na tayo bumabata. O sige, darling, my BFF, my close friend, my dear, love you, miss you. I wish you all the best. Happy birthday once.
Hi, Oma! I'm so happy that it's your birthday. How old are you now? I hope you'll be more beautiful, more healthier, and successful in every way. Happy birthday, dear Oma. Love you.
It's your 80th birthday. May you have a day full of fun, joy, and laughter. I'd like to say I'm so happy and proud of how you raised your children, who are very successful now, and I know how much they love you. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Hi. Hello, Tita Norma. How are you? I hope you're doing fine. Balita ko, magbe-birthday ka daw. Magsi-60 ka na ba? Oh, senior citizen. Oh, 80 pala. Uy, hindi halata. Well, I wish na sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay, have a good health, happy life, and happy family. Kumusta? And take care of yourself. I love you po. Bye.
Hi, Ate Norma. It's your birthday. Sending you so much love. Happy birthday and many more birthdays to come. Love you, Ate.
Hello, Ate Norma. Happy 80th birthday. 20 years na lang at milyonaryo ka na. So, sige. Enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Lola. We wish you happiness and peace of mind and good health always. Wait for me to grow up and you can take care of me. Yes. Yeah. I will attend your party after some time. For now, I'm a crying baby. And I cannot bear the loud noise, so I will skip this time. Happy birthday! I need milk now. Bye-bye.
Hello! Happy birthday, Tita Norma! Sayang, hindi ako nakarating dyan. Sobrang busy ko kasi. Pero soon. Happy birthday! Love you!